Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm bringing you guys Ariana Grande's Physicians makeup look using all drugstore products. Starting off with Fit Me Maybelline concealer all over my eye just to cover up the redness and so all the eyeshadows can stay on longer on my eyes. And then I'm using the Profusions palette. Now all the products that I'm using will be drugstore products. The shade that I'm using is Outgoing. I'm applying that all over the crease, close to the brow bone in swiping motions. And as you guys see that I added some tape, so the look could be more defined, more clean. So you don't have to do this. You can clean it with a concealer after that. But I've been loving doing this step right here. So just applying it all over the crease. Now, Ariana Grande is a simple cut crease, but I think I did it a different way. I'm applying Cozy right here all over the crease and winging it out, as you guys see. And then I'm going to focus that on the outer V shape of my eye. Then I'm going to be adding concealer and cutting the crease, but really slowly. I'm going to bring it up because her crease is really high up. So I'm just going to add some concealer little by little, making sure that I cover half of my lid, not the outer corner. Then this was just done like accidentally, but after that I'm like, hey, it looks good. That's how her crease looks. So I know I had Cozy all over my crease, but after I added the concealer, it worked really well. Then I'm going to add this shade all over my lid. I'm also going to be adding that same shadow on the bottom of my brow bone. I'm going to be using the Maybelline eyeliner just to define my eyes, doing a small wing. Then I'm just applying a couple coats of the Hard Candy Dare to Extend mascara, and then I'm just going to apply that Cozy dark shadow under my lash line to define everything and to balance everything out. So this is the only thing that is not from the drugstore, but it's just a cream eyeliner for the waterline from Makeup Forever, and this would just help to open up my eyes a little bit better. The lashes that I'm using are the Mink Effect lashes in Dame from Kiss. You guys can find them at Dollar General. I have been obsessed with them and so happy that they're really affordable. So I'm applying a little bit of eyeliner at the top of my waterline so it can look fuller. For my face, I'm using the Pore Activator by Joanne, and this will help to make your pores look less visible. For foundation, you guys know I'm always using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation when it comes to drugstore. I just freaking love it, you guys. And look what happened. Oh my gosh. I was really about to stop recording here, but I'm like, it's okay. So I'm just going to blend everything, and don't forget to blend it down to your neck. Right here I'm using a little bit of that Fit Me Maybelline concealer, blending that, and then I'm going to be setting everything with the Airspun loose powder. Now bringing some color back with the Wet n Wild Contouring Palette. Make sure, if you're still watching, to subscribe because I will have more celebrity inspired looks. And also next week I'm going to be having a get ready with me, but just doing like an updated foundation and concealer routine, a new technique that I've been doing. Then I just added the Revlon Ultra HD Matte Liquid Lipstick in Obsessed. You guys, is so similar to her lipstick. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I hope you guys love this video with me using affordable products for celebrity inspired makeup looks. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button like I said, and leave me your comments down below. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.